Almost an year ago, the world locked itself down due to a deadly pandemic. Schools, offices, and every major institution got shut down. While everybody talks about how many lives succumbed to COVID 19, is anybody really talking about the adverse impact it had on the mental health of those who were left behind? Greetings, we are Team Aris, and this is our project Hidden. The theme we have chosen is mental health awareness because no matter how much we try to deny it, mental health problems have occupied the center stage of our life. In India alone, news media reports indicated 369 cases of suicides in 2020 during COVID-19 lockdown versus 220 reports in 2019, a 67.7% increase in online news media reports of suicidal behavior. In order to combat this situation, we have come with our app, Hither, which will provide the users with an AI companion, pet dog that will perform the tricks on being instructed verbally as well as through controls. Well, that's not all. The app also has a meditation chamber which will provide the users with an immersive environment to forget their worries and dive into nirvana. So let's proceed towards the features of this app. Amusing animations by the pet dog on verbal instructions by speech to command conversion. Customized maneuvers and tricks on clicking particular buttons. Leisure come therapeutic effects. Perfect aura for indulging in reverie and meditation. Exercises for breath regulation in an immersive environment. Remedial benefits for patients recovering from COVID 19 or struggling with mental well being.
I'll now present a live demonstration of our app, Hriday. So this is the user menu. On clicking the virtual pet button, the user is led to the camera. When the camera is pointed at a flat surface for a couple of seconds, our virtual companion appears. So now comes the interesting part of the app. Click on the microphone button in order to give voice commands to the virtual pet. For example, scratch your ear, raise your front paws, bring the suitcase, hide your face, run away, apart from the voice commands, the pet can also be instructed to perform maneuvers through the control buttons given inside the two paws. As you can see, the user can engage with the virtual companion in countless ways to amuse himself. While we all know that dogs can prove to be the best of companions in the worst of times by watching their owners back, still, why just stick to a pet dog, right? In future, we wish to create customized pets for users as per their wishes. Cats, fish, guinea pigs, anything and everything that the user demands. Also, along with the AR companion, we wish to create an AR assistant as well that can open various apps on the device on being instructed. So that's all about the virtual pet mode. You can click on the home button in order to return to the user menu. The app is provided with a credits section as well, which contains the GitHub as well as LinkedIn profiles of Team Aris members.
Moving towards the technical aspect of the project, I would like to start by explaining the tools and software involved. The maximum portion of the project was made on Unity 2 K19.4.22 F1. So let's start by the basic. This is the UI which you will first see when you open our app. So what this UI contains is a canvas and a background, some buttons on which there is a script attached which actually just loaded different scenes around, and once you click on some button it will open that linked scene. And the next scene is of a virtual pet. It actually has this UI and our game object, this pet rover. So this contains two scripts. First one is the place note script. So what happens is this script is it actually detects the plane, and once the plane is detected, actually show or augment the place note or the marker. And once the marker is placed, you can tap on that location and your game object, or in this our case the dog, will augment on that place. So this is the script that is used to augment the dog. It is also basically similar to the place note script, but it has a touch count greater than 1. So the touch doesn't merge. These are animation buttons. As you can see, there are UI here. So, and this is the script that I. And also once we tap on the screen, this script will disable automatically, so that we no longer see that place note. And to animate the dog on the button click, this is the script we have used, the animation script. It actually triggers the animation connected to all these buttons. There will be animation. This is very does not look so good, but these are actually interconnected to each other, and how will they trigger. So I'm moving to the next part. This is the meditation and the last part, the project. This is also somewhat similar, but in this case we have used some few more things, like to activate on a trigger when actually our session camera hits a box collider that is here. So once our camera in real space will interact with this hidden door, it will activate all the portal in your space. So let's talk about the meditation chamber part. You can see here the 3D model of the meditation chamber, and what will actually happen if when you tap on the screen, this door here will augment on your space. And once you get near to this door, there's a box collider. On interacting with it, the whole of the other model will also augment. That's how, and you can just place it on a ground and enjoy the view.
Moving on from the technical aspect to the business aspect of the hack, we are all aware of the unfortunate fact that there are 264 million depressed people all across the globe, and this number has been surging up drastically since the pandemic began. Our app will positively impact the lives of all these people. Collaborating with organizations that work for mental health will provide the much needed impetus to our project, and launching the app on Play Store will provide a sustainable business model. Coming to the social impact, the social relevance of Hriday cannot be emphasized upon enough. The app will be a beacon of hope for all those who lost their vigor in the pandemic, yet who kept going. It will also be a blessing for those pet lovers who are unable to keep a pet physically due to whatever circumstances. So that was all about our little project. Over the past 3 days, we have worked to create something that we hope would bring about, if not some colossal, then some small positive change in the world. Thank you for sparing your precious time to watch this video. We hope you liked it.